Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the tablet. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the tablet. Removal. Starting near the volume button, use a case separator tool to carefully separate the left, top, right outer edges of the display cover from the display panel assembly. Caution: to prevent damage to the display cover, take extreme care when the case separator tool is near any of the external buttons, speaker cutouts, or connectors. Using the case separator tool, carefully separate the bottom edge of the display cover from the display panel assembly. Remove the display cover. Replacement. Place the display cover onto the display panel assembly. Carefully press down on the edges of the display cover to snap it into place.